Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on the front right wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Overall, that wheel looks nice. Looking at the paint, you do have a lot of orange peel on here, and so you're gonna see that kind of throughout. Overall, that fender looks good. You do have a gap right here with this little piece. Checking out the fender here though, I see an imperfection there. You're gonna have some little dimples, a little bit of trash in the paint every once in a while. Looking at this A-pillar, you do have some flaws here on this trim. Overall, the paint looks good. You can see all the texture in the paint there. Here on the side mirror, I don't see any rock chips. And then you're just gonna have these little dimples throughout. I don't see any dings. And then you can see the gaps here. That graphic looks awesome. Body panels look good. That wheel looks awesome. Then here on the front end, see a couple imperfections here. Lights look good. You can see this is all cracking. It's a little warped. You can see the fit is off a little. For the most part, this one's pretty good. I don't see a bunch of cracks. Looking on the top side, you're gonna see the texture. Little bubbles in the graphic every once in a while. Got a few imperfections here. I don't see any other damage, so that front end looks really good. All right, looking at the engine bay. Just kind of scanning through everything so you can see it. Of course, you're gonna have your chips and imperfections here. Here on the edge of the hood, you can see all of this. Here on the driver's side, you're gonna see that gap in this panel here. Got a couple small paint runs, typical little imperfections here and there, but as far as damage goes, I don't see anything. Everything looks nice and clean. You can see all those little dimples there. I don't see any dents or gashes on that door. Door looks good. Mirror looks nice. Got a few small scuffs on the upper section by the weather stripping. A couple scuffs here and there, all pretty minor. Looking at the back, here on the deck lid, I don't see any gashes or dents. Typical little scuffs on the edge. For the most part though, it's all in good condition. have some scratches here. A little spot in the paint there. And there's no liner here in the trunk. And then here's that lower front splitter cover. All right, looking at the interior, here on this door panel, you can see it had some damage and it was repaired. You can see some of this is separating. You have some rips down here. This is kind of falling off. You can see it broken here. A couple tears, little separation. It definitely wiggles. Window works really well though. You can see some rips in here. Some wrinkles, a couple scuffs here and there. A couple snags on the seat belt. Looking at that seat, that bolster looks amazing. Overall, these seats look really good. The steering wheel is wore out. It does have some scuffs, scratches, cracks all the way around. The gauges look good. You're missing the radio. And then looking at the dash here, you have the cracks right there and here. Here on the right panel, see the window rolls up and down really nice, but it is loose. You can see it kind of all shake. The panel itself though, overall in good condition. A couple flaws here and there. This trim has a few dings in it. Overall looks good. You can see the stains on the seat belt. Looking at the bolsters here, those look good. A couple small scuffs. Otherwise that seat looks nice. A few chips here. A few imperfections on the edge. A couple small scratches. Here on the upper side of the dash, you can see some separation right there on the edge. And then you can see this piece is broke off. So the seatbelt stays back here. It doesn't have the little holder. Looking at these seats, they look awesome.